Hi everyone again, Jake Bernstein here with the twochimps.net report on housing and building stocks. 3:43 p.m. California time, being recorded today, the 11th of October from my home in Santa Cruz Mountains, California. So let's take a look at our favorite, XHB, where we have given you a recommendation, and the profit target would be the top of the weekly channel. That profit target specifically 37.37. Very possibly we will get there this week. So that remains in a bullish trend. Our recommendation in Standard Pacific was merged to Ryland Homes. There's a new symbol for that stock, but since we don't have any history on the new symbol, the best strategy was to take profits on your position or to get out. Whatever you got for the new stock, CAA is the symbol. So in the absence of historical data to evaluate the trade, we recommend exiting. Pulte Home, PHM, which we recommended, remains the same in a weekly trend. That trend is down. On the daily, the stock has just turned bullish. So if you're a very short-term trader, you can consider buying buying Pulte Homes at the bottom of the daily channel, which is 1924. The risk would be 2 times the width of the channel, and the first profit target would be 2 times the width of the channel as well. Housing related stock, Williams-Sonoma. Looking at the daily trend, we are basically lower to sideways. It's been a great trading stock, but not much productivity in terms of the uptrend. On the weekly, we have turned lower. So therefore, we're in a downtrend, no change in recommendation. Now, in terms of the housing stocks, one of the things you may want to look at is the lumber market, which is lumber futures. Generally, we don't talk about this in the stock letter. Let me show you something. Lumber futures, very interesting chart on the daily. Let me bring that up for you. Just having turned bullish setup on the channel, waiting for a trigger. The thing that's most interesting about this chart is the fact that commercial interests continue to accumulate lumber, which is a very bullish indication that they expect to have demand, which is why they need the lumber right now. So that's it, basically bullish on the sector, waiting for profit target to be hit on one of our picks. That does it for today. We'll talk to you again next week. If you have any questions, drop me a line.